Hello friends, in this video I will explain how you can use clone stamp tool in Photoshop. So you can see the Photoshop is open and here is one image. So before I explain what this tool does, let me explain what I am to do in this image. So you can see in this nostril there is a white part which I want to remove. So I can just use the brush and then make it black, but there is another way, and that is with the help of clone stamp tool. So basically with clone stamp, what happens is that you can clone part of image and then apply that change in the other part of the image. For example, I want this nostril to be displayed exactly similar to this right nostril. So what I can do is I can just clone this nostril and then apply those changes. So for that, just click on this clone stamp tool. As you can see, it says clone stamp tool, and in the description it is saying paints with pixels from another part of the image. So once you click on that, you have to go to the part where you want to copy or clone the image or the part of the image, and then press Alt key. Once you press Alt key, this is how the cursor will look like, and then you have to click on the part of the image that you want to clone. So I want to clone this black part here, so I just clicked it, and as you can see, as soon as I clicked it, you can see that it is showing the clone part, that black spot. And then to apply this change anywhere, you have to just click. So for example, I want to apply that change in here in this nostril, so I'm just gonna click it again, and as you can see here, those changes are being applied here like this. That's it. That is how you can use this clone stamp tool in Photoshop. Thanks for watching.